I think the most important lessons I've learned about myself is that I'm a lot more stubborn than I thought I was, and I'm a hard worker that doesn't give up. Sometimes you need to keep moving forward for yourself, even when you don't want to or everyone's telling you to quit. The manufacturing world is tough on you at first because they want to see if you'll succeed. If you prove to others that you want it more than they do, they will trust you with more things and more responsibilities. GPS was an investment to my future because it gave me valuable life skills for my future. I have always respected manufacturing careers, and now, through first-hand experience, I recognize that there are more jobs and opportunities than I originally thought in this career field. What I appreciate most from the GPS program was how I learned to properly make a resume and read blueprints. A normal high school would have never taught me those things. Something I learned is that you can't be late. While I was working at Charter Wire, I almost got fired because I was late consistently. And eventually, I turned this around and saved my career. I also learned that when you pay attention to the small details, the better off you will be. Paying attention to the small details shows pride in your work. While I was in the GPS program during my apprenticeship at Charter Wire, I was able to develop a good relationship with one of my mentors. His name is Ron. I always remember him for being a good guy, always helping me out when I needed, and he always ate the weirdest foods for lunch. My post-graduation plans are to hopefully continue working at Charter Wire in the maintenance field. There's also a possibility after graduation I will join the U.S. Army. I want to say thank you to Charter Wire for giving me the opportunity to work for your company. I would also like to thank the GPS program for helping me with my job and school work. Something I would tell future students coming into the program is to know and follow the schedule sent to you, and to not forget those calendar invites for your vacation days.